Yeah. So I didn't study any informatics. I have a very deep technical understanding, let's say. And for me, one of the pillars is that I was actually able to learn and to build up some skills like from scratch. And we have a lack of technicians in Germany, in EMEA, I think in general. And so one of the main pillars for me is that the UiPath platform makes it so easy to really build up perfect automation workflows without too much technical knowledge that you need to build this up. And this is what makes UiPath so good for me, so much standing out. It really takes up that concept of low-code platform to the next level. Yeah. Like when we started to use UiPath, it was like a very small platform and there weren't any AI features in the past. And now like we see evolve that technology of AI and AI coming into like every product of the UiPath platform. So basically what we started with was the document understanding framework to help our customers and also ourselves actually to automate or to be able to handle unstructured data, semi-structured data, different documents like invoices, like purchase orders and stuff. Because formerly everyone was like complaining, okay, I love the idea of automation, but the documents that we get in, they look different from time to time. Yeah? So we use these AI features like document understanding to be able to help our customers also with very complex cases. So if I have a look at how AI is already integrated into the UiPath products, I'm really looking forward on how generative AI will make it easier, even easier to build up automations from scratch. Like if I think about all the changes coming in UiPath app, for example, to use generative AI to get a first starting point. If you have no idea on how to start, on which one would be a great starting point in apps, in Studio Web, also in document understanding, really use generative AI to get a first glance, to get a first idea. How can I start? How can I make the best out of it in the end? In the past, we've been using document understanding for all kinds of documents. So, for example, invoices, for example, purchase orders, which is, I think, a standard kind of document that basically every company uses, from a hotel to a production environment. So anyone uses these kinds of documents, which is really helpful to be able to work with these documents from a standard. But even building up our own ML models from scratch for CVs, for example, which was a great idea for an HR use case, to use document understanding to extract information out of CVs, which are very, very unstructured. So it was really a challenge in that case, but it worked out perfectly. And we had a great case for HR, for a great automation in the end. I've been trying out the latest features, for example, in Studio Web, because I'm not a technician. I don't write like complex link queries or something. But generative AI really helped me out on this. I can just describe whatever I want to achieve in the end with my query, and it just creates my query perfectly. And for me, it's like magic. I've seen a lot of tech, but these generative AI features that are already included, and seeing what is already possible nowadays is really impressive for me. So even if you're not a technician, you're really able to build up very, very complex queries, expressions, which will elaborate automation to the next level if we think about citizen development, for example.